Hair loss is becoming increasingly common these days, and because of the hair loss, people lose a lot of confidence. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you the life stories of a few people who have changed their look dramatically with the help of the Bio IPT hair transplant, and now they have regained confidence in themselves. So, let's take a look at the first case here. This gentleman is a young guy around 25 years of age who was facing hair loss since a couple of years. He also had genetic history of hair loss. His father and grandparents also had a certain degree of baldness. So when he had come to me, he was feeling quite low. He was feeling underconfident and he wanted to get his hair back at any cost. So I aligned him, I counseled him that with a hair transplant we should be able to regain your hairline. Also I counseled him on how to save existing hair. So we started him with certain medical therapies as well as a GFC therapy so that he does not lose any more hair. With the Bio IPT hair transplant technique, we were able to do the hair transplant of his entire front area, and within 8 to 10 months, he regained all of his hair and the look was changed completely. And today, he is a way more confident person. He's extremely happy with the result. Also, he tells me that absolutely none of his friends, none of his relatives can make out that he has got a hair transplant done. His new hair, his hair transplant is looking absolutely natural and the hairline is looking perfectly natural. He's extremely happy with his new result. Now let's take a look at the other case that we had. This person is a 35-year-old gentleman who had come to me all the way from New Zealand to get a hair transplant done. He had heard about our Bio IPT technique from a couple of other of his friends who had got the same technique done from us. He had a lot of hair loss over the entire top area of the scalp, and he had also been counseled by some other clinics to get a transplant done for the entire top. However, we counseled him that you don't need a transplant for the entire top. We can only do a transplant for the front area, whereas for the back area where the hair was only thinning, certain medications and GFC therapy will be able to regain your lost density. So we did a transplant of about 3000 grafts for him for only the front area. In about 8 to 10 months, all of his transplanted hair grew and now he is extremely happy with his result. The transplanted hair are looking absolutely natural and he is very happy that he can swim with those hair. He can color his hair. The hair grew absolutely natural like his own hair in the other areas of the scalp. He also does not face any problems such as itching or pain. He never had any problems even in the post-op period, and occasionally when he would have to ask me something, I was always available to him over WhatsApp or even the call. So he's very happy with the result. Also, he's very glad that he could always ask me any doubts that he had in his mind throughout the entire duration of the post-op period. You can also go to our channel to see the testimonial of the same gentleman and he will explain to you his entire journey of the hair transplant with us. Now let us take a look at our next case. This gentleman came to me when he was in his mid-40s and what he was concerned about was that he was looking much older than his age. As compared to his friends and his peer group, he was looking much older than them as well. While he was only in his early 40s, he was looking as if he was in his early 50s. This concerned him a lot. So we did a frontal area hair transplant for him with the Bio IPT technique, and after about 8 to 10 months, he got his entire hair back. His hair is of very good density and absolutely nobody can make out that he has got a hair transplant done. He also visits us regularly for his GFC sittings. I did counsel him that if you take GFC sittings regularly, the transplanted hair also grow very well. Also, we are able to save your existing hair so that you don't have to face further hair loss. Now that he has got his full hair transplant result, he is extremely happy with it and he feels way more confident now. Also, in fact, he says that now I'm looking younger than my age, which was his aim. He has referred to us a lot of his friends and family as well for the hair transplant since he's extremely happy with his results. If you want me to share more of such case studies, do mention in the comment box below. Do like and share my video and subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.